Now we're going to talk about paddling in harbors and marinas. All that boat traffic can make your trip risky. If you don't understand the navigation rules, you can download the nav rules online or pick up a booklet at any boating store.
The first thing to remember is boats and ships don't come with brakes. If you have any doubt, stay clear.
Shipping channels will be marked with red and green numbered channel markers. Most ships must stay between those markers, so the best way to avoid worrying about boat traffic is to stay out of the deep water channel.
When you must cross a channel, look both ways and cross at a 90-degree angle.
Remember that motorboats, sailboats, and ships often sit much higher in the water than kayaks and canoes, which can make it challenging for them to see small boats low on the water. Wearing bright clothing helps, but remember to paddle defensively, be smart, be safe, have fun.